Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 7. Will present the result of our discussion regarding law in general. Before that, introduce me Nesa, then there are Akbar, Tasya, and Siti Fatmahuri. Maybe just go straight to Tasya to explain the result to our discussion. Law in general. Law is a set of rules or norms that apply in associate, both written and unwritten, which aim to regulate human behavior in community life. These rules are made by authorized institutions, such as the government, and have binding the first all member society. Meaning of law. Meaning of law, goodness for living together. Law profit goodness for humans to interact with each other in society. With the existence of law, it is hoped that order, security, and justice will be created. Uh, guarantor of justice. The law The law aims to realize justice for all members of society. When a violation of the laws occurs, the law will provide appropriate sanction for the perpetration. Action contraction law also function as a constraint of human action that can harm others of society. With the existence of law, every individual we know the limits that must not be violated. Purpose of law: maintaining order and security. Law provides limitations on human behavior so as not to interfere with the interests of others. Achieving justice. Law aims to provide protection for the right of every individual and ensure that everyone is treated fairly. Ensuring legal consistency. Law provides legal consistency for every individual so that they can plan their future well. Achieving general welfare, law aims to improve the welfare of all members of society. The purpose of law according to expert Gustav Rachbard. According Rachbard, the purpose of law is to fulfill justice, benefits, and consistency in social life. Lon L. Fowler emphasized the importance of legal certainty and correct and legal procedures in achieving legal goals. Thanks to Tasya. Okay, Akbar, you're up next to talk.
Okay, examples of legal objectives in everyday life. Number one, we feel law regulation, legal relation between individuals, such as agreements, inheritance, and property rights. Next, criminal law protects society from criminal acts and profits sanitation for perpetrators of crimes. Uh, Next, constitutional law regulation the organization of the states and the relationship between bet, between the states and its citizens. Uh, Next, economy law regulation economy active and protects customer interests. Next, general decision of law. Written law is law that is written in legislation, while unwritten law is law that is not written in the form of regulation. Unwritten law is a rule of life that is believed in by society and is a, a as a legal role which is always called customary law. Next, example of hierarchies of legal sources in Indonesia. Number one, on 1945 Constitution. Uh, Next, laws, government regulation, presidential regulation, regional regulation, international agreements, uh, customs. Next, jurisprudence, uh, doctrine. Next, factor influencing factors influencing the developments of legal sources. Number one, change in the times. The developments in society and technology will give rise to new legal issue that require new legal regulation. Societal values, the values held by society will influence the contents and form of legal regulation. Next, political interest. Political interest can influence the creation and implementation of laws.
Thanks to Akbar. Okay, Uri, next you're up to talk.
Okay, for the next material, I will explain law as a rule. Law as a rule is a fundamental concept in legal science. The rule itself can be interpreted as a rule or norm that regulates human behavior in society. Thus, law can be understood as a set of rules that are binding and have sanctions for violators, which aim to create order and justice in community life. Next, characteristic of law as a rule, hierarchy. Legal rules have levels or hierarchies, starting from the basic law as the highest law to the laws and regulations below it. Dynamic. Legal rules are dynamic, meaning they can change along with changes, time, and the needs of society. Next, coherence. Legal rules must be consistent with each other and not contradict each other. If there is a conflict, the higher level legal rule will apply. The function of law as a rule, regulating human behavior. Laws provide boundaries for human behavior so as not to harm others or society. Creating order. Laws create a safe and orderly environment so that society can live comfortably. Realizing, realizing justice. Laws protect the rights of every individual and ensure that everyone is treated fairly. Guaranteeing legal certainty. Laws provide legal certainty for every individual so that they can plan their future well. Characteristic of legal rules, sanctions. Legal rules are always accompanied by sanctions for those who violate them. Coercive nature. Legal rules are coercive, meaning that every member of society is obliged to obey them. General legal rules apply to everyone without exception. Formal legal rules are made through formal procedures and are determined by authorized institutions. Thank you.
Thanks to Huri. The next material is nature and characteristic of law. 1. Binding. The law is mandatory and must be obeyed by everyone without exception, both citizens and foreigners in the jurisdiction. General. The law applies to everyone without exception unless there are special provisions in the law itself. Formal. The law is made through formal procedures and determined by authorized institutions such as the DPR or the government. Next, relative. The law is relative, meaning that the law can change along with change in the times, community value, and community needs. Sanction. Everyone violation of the law will be subject to sanction. Justice. The law aims to release justice for everyone. Legal certainty. The law provides legal certainty for every individual so that they can plan their future well. Next, legal object. Legal object are anything that can be the target of right and obligation. In other words, legal objects are things that are at issue in a legal relationship. Characteristic of legal object. 1. Useful, can be controlled, and clear and certain. Example, object, right, deeds, and deeds. Next, legal subject. Legal subjects are entities that have right and obligation in a legal relationship. Simple part, legal subjects are part that play in the legal arena. Legal subject category, person, legal entity, or rights person. Next, relationship between subject and object of law. Legal subject and legal object are interrelated. Legal object act on legal act, while legal object become the type of legal action from legal subject. Example, Andy is legal subject, buys a car from dealer X. PT Okay, that's all the material from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tuh guys, maaf ya. Ngakak soalnya pas